I felt that DMEXCO, which is a big fair and a big think tank about technology and digital, I wanted to go back to what makes it really meaningful for the customer in terms of experience and linking it to all the insights which are available through the amount of data that we have today and the technology that can help us build it. But I just wanted to go back to the experience and to the insight that drives it. I'm going to talk about building rewarding customer experiences, and I would really like to focus much more on the insight that we can have in the customers and less on the technology side. It's not all about technology and data. I want to focus on a meaningful, measurable, powerful, relevant customer experiences. Digital transformation really is all about sorting the disruption that has been created in the relationship between the brand and the customers and finding more meaningful, relevant, easy ways to make sure that that experience continues in a profitable way. DMEXCO is very interesting. I remember it when it was a German tech fair, as I described it. Then it became European. Now it has become global. And I think that on top of the fair side, there is an incubator side, which I find much more interesting, where you meet interesting people, industry leaders, clients, and they all go to the same place. And really, there are similar events in other regions, but this is the first time that one is based in Europe. And I always find it very, very motivating, very enriching. And is a place where we take all our leaders from Europe, and for a couple of days it becomes a very good experience for us as a team, but playing within the overall think tank. Well, I always go with a very open mind, and I think it's much more about learning than contributing. So yes, I'm going there to make a speech, but that is the excuse for spending a couple of days meeting interesting people, listening different points of view, perhaps even learning a little bit more about certain specific technologies that I'm not totally familiar with. We will have many clients there, which is always a good challenge to ourselves. Are we aligned? Are we in line with the times? Do we have experience in every area where we need to have it? But in terms of what I'm expected to learn from, I think I would go back to VR, which especially after CES 7-8 months ago, I think is there. I think we've at OMD have built some leadership in that area. We've got some great award winning with Gatorade, etc., etc. But I think that is not yet diffused across all the agency, all the clients. There is more to be done, and I think as an industry we see the direction, but we're not yet applying everything we can do. There is a long way ahead of us.